Thank you to everyone who contributed questions to today's Q&A video as well as video requests. I've written down all of the video requests in here and planned out when I'm going to film each of those videos. Most of the submissions turned out to be video requests instead of questions, so this video is going to be a little bit shorter than normal, but I will be working on filming all of those videos that you requested. The first question is from Anonymous. They asked, do you have an inbox section in your planner? Before I answer this question, I want to give some background information about what I think an inbox is, or how I define it. In the book, Getting Things Done by David Allen, the term inbox refers to a physical or digital container that serves as a collection point for all of the incoming information and tasks that come your way. And this could include email messages, voicemails, documents, notes, and other items that require your attention. And the purpose of having an inbox is to ensure that all information and tasks that are coming your way get captured in a single location so that you can process and organize them. So I've shown in a previous video how I have a physical inbox. By using an inbox, you can avoid losing track of those important tasks or information and ensure that everything gets captured and processed in a timely and organized manner. Once you have collected all the items in your inbox, you can then process them using the Getting Things Done methodology, which I've discussed on this channel before. And it involves clarifying which each item means, organizing them into appropriate categories, and then deciding what actions you need to take to complete them. And this process can help you to stay on top of your tasks and priorities and reduce the stress and overwhelm that can come with a busy workload. Incorporating an inbox into your planner is a great way to collect and organize all the incoming information and tasks that come your way. Sometimes inbox pages in a planner are dedicated pages that are specifically designed for capturing incoming items. I do not have like an official Getting Things Done inbox in my planner, but I have what I call a monthly list, and that is kind of where all of the incoming tasks get written down for the month. And then at the beginning of each week, I look at that monthly list and I transfer tasks into the week that I'm planning out. And I go over how I plan and use that like inbox system and that monthly list in my Zen to Done series, so I'll leave the link to that video down below if you want to check it out. In terms of an inbox section, I think the closest thing to that would be my list tab in my home planner, and in there I have my 12 monthly lists, my next year list, and my someday maybe list. I also have some other tabs at the front of my planner that some people may consider to be part of an inbox section. So I'm going to leave the link to the whole flip through of those sections in the description down below if you want to learn more about that. And the next question was, how do you differentiate between goals and projects? Not all projects lead to an overall goal. If that makes sense, maybe you're doing a favor for someone or working on a craft project. David Allen defines a project as any desired result that can be accomplished within a year that requires more than one action step. So under that definition, most goals have projects associated with them because they have more than one action step that needs to be done in order to achieve them. I define a goal as having a desired outcome or result that you want to achieve in the future. They provide a sense of direction and purpose, and they help you to focus on what you want to achieve and why you want to achieve it. Projects are usually more concrete and tactical than goals, and they involve a series of tasks and activities that are designed to achieve a specific outcome. Projects are typically used to achieve a goal, but not all projects are directly related to goals. Some examples of projects that are not necessarily goals are like doing a favor for a family member, building a website, organizing a fundraising event, or creating a piece of art. cleaning up a local park or volunteering at a homeless shelter, planning a party or an event like a birthday celebration or a holiday gathering or a baby shower. And then there are projects that can be designed to help you to achieve a larger goal. So some examples of that are starting a business. So this project could be tied to a goal of creating a profitable enterprise or pursuing a passion, completing a degree or certification program. This could be tied to a goal of advancing your career or pursuing a personal interest. Building a community garden. That project can be tied to a goal of promoting sustainable practices and providing fresh produce for low-income families in your area. So whether or not something is a goal or a project is relevant, because whether or not you have a goal or an actual project will affect how you plan and how you use your planner. So if your goal simply has one action step, then you could use something maybe like a habit tracker in your planner, and it doesn't need to get more complicated than that. If your goal has a project associated with it, then you may want to handle it the way you normally handle projects in your planner. If you don't know if your goal has a project, you may want to think about what the next action steps are in order to achieve that goal. And then once you do that, you suddenly have a project. And Happy asked, do you get frustrated or bored with using the same type of planner? If so, what do you do to keep it consistent and interesting? I definitely will sometimes get bored, but I have found that mixing things up, trying out different layouts, different planning techniques, even just like decorating my planner sometimes will make me interested in using my planner again. And that was kind of the motivation partially for filming these videos, is we're all sharing ideas with each other to keep ourselves motivated to continue to keep using our planners and to stay interested in our planners. That's why I like to share different techniques with you, different insert ideas. You can do something simple like change up your planner layout. You can switch out what kind of stickers you're using, what kind of pen you're using. You can incorporate different types of motivational quotes, try out new planning techniques, switch up what kind of themes you're using to decorate your planner. If you don't normally use sticky notes, you can start using sticky notes and see if that helps. Try to incorporate highlighters. Change up your planning routine, maybe. If you are someone who likes to plan at the beginning of every week, maybe you could start trying out planning at the beginning of every day or at the end of every day for the following day. And you can change up what you're using your planner to track. So maybe you don't normally track finances, and you could add some new types of inserts for that. You could add a vision board to kind of inspire you more. Add in different types of habit trackers. I hope that this video gave you some ideas for changing up how you're using your planner. I'm really excited to make the videos that you requested, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye.
If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. And I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas. I don't know if I'll cope without you. Yeah.